Welcome back to the cafeteria, the affordable kitchen with easy recipes teaching you how to cook. I'm Kayshawn, and today I'm making a creamy Tuscan salmon dinner that I've been seeing all over Facebook and Instagram, and I'm just like, oh, that looks so good. I got to try it. So that's what I'm making today. Let's get into it. So before we get started cooking, I just want to let you know that this meal costs $22.30. The salmon costs $8.42. The spinach $4.96. The heavy cream $4.14. The minced garlic $1 from Dollar Tree, my favorite store. The Parmesan cheese $2.78, and the garlic bread that I'm going to show you later $1 from Dollar Tree as well. Everything here came from Walmart, so you can get almost everything in one spot. I also had some of this stuff already, like the minced garlic, but this is a fairly cheap meal. You know, no more than $25 for a meal. I don't think that's too bad, but salmon is the most expensive thing. Salmon is not cheap, boom. But this meal ain't gonna break your pockets. Let's get cooking. So I'm gonna start off by seasoning my salmon. But before I do that, I wanna pat it dry with a paper towel, because if it's wet, the seasoning ain't gonna stick. So we gotta dry this fish off. Boom, boom, bam. And then I'm gonna season it with a little onion powder. Just a little bit, not too much, because it ain't chicken. And then I'm going to use a little seasoned salt, just a little bit, not too much. We ain't going to go crazy. And then some garlic and pepper seasoning. And I'm using this instead of using garlic powder, just because I want to. Instead of having to use all these seasonings at one time, it's 2 in 1. Then a little cayenne pepper, because I like some spice. And that is it. So now I'm going to move on to the skillet, and we're going to give it a nice little sear. So now, just in my skillet, I got a little olive oil over medium-low heat, and I'm going to let that get nice and hot, and then I'm going to put my salmon in. So let's see. To test it, I'm going to splash a little water in there, and then see if it's, you know, bubble and sizzle, and then we all good. We good. And I'm putting it skin side down. Now I'm going to turn it up to medium heat and just let it cook. Okay, so after about maybe 5 minutes on this side, I'm going to try to turn it over. It's a big piece. I'm trying to get it. What do that? So after about 5 minutes on the first side, I'm gonna turn it over and let it cook for about 3 minutes on this side. I'm not gonna cook it all the way through, because I'm gonna put it in the sauce or whatever, and I don't want it to be overcooked. So we're gonna leave it in there for like 2 more minutes, then we're gonna take it out. So now you see I got a little more oil than I started with in the skillet. That's because the salmon is kind of oily. So I'm gonna pour this out, and then I'm gonna add some butter and move on to making the creamy sauce. Now over low heat, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter. And now that this is melting, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Now I'm going to turn this up to medium, just so it can start cooking. But then I'm going to make sure I scrape the bottom of the skillet to get all the little salmon cooked seasoned bits, because all that is flavor. So I'm going to scrape that before I add the sauce, and I want to get it nice and sizzling, get this garlic browned a little bit more. And then we're going to add our heavy cream. Now I'm back to medium-low heat, and I'm just going to start adding heavy cream until my stomach says stop. Okay, I think that's enough sauce for the salmon that we have. That should be good, right? I think so. Now, while my sauce is simmering over medium-low, I'm going to add my pasta to this boiling salted water. So I added about half the box, and now I'm just going to leave that alone and let it boil, let it do its thing. Okay, so now I'm going to bring my heat up to like medium, but still medium-low. And I'm going to season my sauce with some Italian seasoning. Some more garlic pepper. And some crushed pepper. Then I'm going to give it a stir. Get it nice and mixed in. Then I'm going to add my spinach. Now this is going to look like a lot of spinach, but if you cook, you know that this spinach is going to cook down to about this much. And I rinsed my spinach before I put it in my sauce. We're going to add this spinach, and then we're going to let it cook down before we add our Parmesan cheese. Now, before my spinach cook all the way down, I'm going to add my Parmesan cheese. So now my sauce is bubbling, and I'm going to turn it down to low because I'm going to add my fish back in here. And then I'm going to cover it and just let it cook on low for like 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure the fish is cooked all the way through, and then it absorbed all that flavor that my sauce got to give, okay? So I let my pasta cook until it's nice and soft and tender, and now I'm going to drain it. But I'm going to leave a little pasta water in there just to add it to the sauce. at that. Y'all, I am finally done. Let's taste it. Let's taste this here. I already know it's good because I made it. This is fire. No wonder everybody making it on Facebook and Instagram because this is good. This is good. So, this is my creamy Tuscan salmon. I don't know why they call it Tuscan, but I just know it's good. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.